You know, we all have them, those precious old photos tucked away in a box, pictures of our grandparents, our parents as kids, moments that are priceless. But over the years, they've faded, gotten scratched, or are just plain blurry. What if I told you that you could bring those memories back to life? That you could fix those old damaged photos instantly for free? Today, I'm going to show you a powerful AI tool that can do just that. It's called HotPot AI, and it's about to become your new best friend for photo restoration. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to digitize your old photo. You can either scan it or simply take a good, clear picture of it with your phone. Now head over to HotPot AI. I've put the link in the description below. You'll land on a page full of creative AI tools. For our mission, we'll start with the AI Photo Restorer. Click on that, and let's upload the photo you want to fix. Once your photo is uploaded, HotPot AI's AI gets to work. It automatically removes scratches, sharpens the colors, and enhances faces. And just like that, voila! Look at the difference. The scratches are gone, the colors are vibrant, and the faces are so much clearer. It's like the photo was taken yesterday. But what if the faces in your photos are still a bit blurry or distorted? HotPot AI has a dedicated AI face enhancer for that. It's specifically designed to retouch and repair faces, whether from old photos or even AI-generated images. And for those classic black and white shots, the photo colorizer is a game changer. With one click, it turns monochrome memories into vibrant, full-color images. But HotPot AI isn't just for old photos. Have you ever taken a great picture, but there's something distracting in the background? We've all been there. That's where the AI object remover comes in. You can easily erase people, trees, or any unwanted objects from your pictures, leaving you with the perfect shot. And it doesn't stop there. HotPot AI is a full creative suite. You can generate professional AI headshots for your LinkedIn profile, create unique images with the AI art generator, and even design custom logos and social media graphics. It's an entire toolbox for your creative projects. The best part is that you can try these tools for free. If you need to restore a lot of photos or want to use them for commercial purposes, HotPot AI offers credit-based plans that are very affordable. So if you're ready to breathe new life into your old photos and explore a world of creative possibilities, head over to HotPot AI. The link is in the description below. Try it out, restore your photos, and let me know in the comments what you think. I'd love to hear your stories. And if this video helped you, please give AIChief a like, subscribe for more amazing AI tools, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next one.